So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new videos. Today is a topic about how to fix WhatsApp verifications receiving problem. Okay. To receive your WhatsApp verifications, if you got any problems, then how to solve? You can see this. So for that you have to go in your settings. So after going in settings, what you have to do, just go and search for your app management. And after that you have to go for apps, and after going you can see this, it's loading. So what you have to do, you have to just search for WhatsApp. So after coming WhatsApp, you have to come in the storage uses and clear cache, and you have to click in this clear data. Okay. So after doing this, what you have to do, come in the permissions, and in the permissions what you have to do, you make sure that you should be allowing everything. Okay, you should be allowing everything within the microphones. Suppose don't allow. Okay. So now you can see this microphones, and after that you have to do for allow only while using the app. So you have to go and click, and you have to just make it this allow everything's your permissions. Okay, so after that what you have to do, just go and click for this voice stop. Just click this voice stop and just click here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can receive your verifications code in WhatsApp. So guys, this is the video, and thanks for watching this.